Alright, here we are with another one. Got it all cleaned up, ready to go. Sharp with there, got it all cleaned up. You've seen the before video, it was pretty messy. The inside's 3 times better than it was. It was pretty dirty. It's an old work car, but it was pretty dirty. Made it a lot better. Use Super Clean products. Help me out, send me some stuff. Pretty good. The all-purpose cleaner got all the grime, everything off the door panels. Everywhere. Worked pretty good. It's an old work car. You'll see the seat. You'll understand. It was pretty grimy. Better than it was. You just wanted to get her cleaned up best I could. You're tired of the grime. Cleaned up pretty good for an old car. Old beater, as he calls it. Got some bruises here and there, but we expect. Alright. I have one more coming for this weekend. I'm supposed to drop it off Friday. See what happens. I think it's a truck. So, alright. Hit the like button, subscribe, all the other little fun stuff you gotta do to see what's going on. Later.